What? It's not gonna bite you, Snook. You're fine. It's just a backpack. Are you okay? Are you done? What the fuck? You're flinching at everything. Have you figured out it's not going to bite you yet? No? Still working on it? What? Ow! I deserve that. You didn't really get me. I deserve it. There you go. You figured it out.
See, it's not gonna do anything to you. Do I need to buy you like your own backpack so that way you can play with the thingies on it?
Oh, did you lose it? Here you go.
Here you go, play with it some more. Yeah, teach you a lesson. It's still there. Hasn't gone anywhere.
My room's a mess, cat, so I'm trying to keep you in frame and the mess out of it. Well, most of the mess. Spring cleaning. Anyway.
And there you go, teach it a lesson. Teach it a lesson. Her tail's just twitching away.
Hi, baby. I'm trying not to show the mess. Oh, okay.